And welcome back again. We were slightly below average for today, a little bit warmer than yesterday, though. 69 degrees was what we reached here in Hattiesburg, 43 our morning low. No precipitation today, and we're still about 2.37 inches below where we should be for this time of year. Right now outside, we are holding steady in the mid to lower 60s, and thankfully we are under clear skies as well. There's that low pressure. I told you yesterday, it didn't look like much when it was over our neck of the woods, but as it moved on off to the east coast, got some upper level support. And look at this presentation on radar and satellite right now. You can actually see over the past hour or so, a little eye has opened up now. I want to say this real quick. This is not a hurricane. Some people out there I've seen on Twitter and Facebook call this a hurricane or hurricane-like. The only thing hurricane-like is that it kind of has an eye to it. This is called an extratropical cyclone. The difference between a hurricane and an extratropical cyclone is the core. This is not feeding off the warm ocean water. This is feeding off of other processes. There are cold fronts and warm fronts along with this, whereas a hurricane does not have that. So looks pretty cool and impressive as it moves on off. Across our neck of the woods, though, notice how we have some east-west flow. We're going to be under some high pressures, and that's really what's keeping our temperatures nice and, there we go, nice and round average or just below average. You can see it right here on water vapor, this east-to-west motion. That is zonal flow. It's a high pressure. Now our next storm system is sitting on out to the west in Nevada. This little spin that you see coming into view. This is our next little storm maker for Thursday. Tonight's forecast will be a little bit chilly, 38 degrees, patchy clouds, those winds out of the northeast, right around 5 miles per hour. High pressure pushed on off to our east tomorrow, so we'll get the return of some southerly winds eventually. Help warm us up, bring back some moisture, and that's going to kind of set the precursor for your Thursday. Really, Thursday through next week or early next week, we have a shot of showers each and every day. Not looking too great. Forecast highs for tomorrow, mid-70s, those winds out of the southeast, 5 to 10 miles per hour. Pleasant conditions, and later this week, yep, showers and thunderstorms across the southeastern U.S., pleasant conditions behind it. So once this moves on through, we have a pretty good shot of being above average for most of next week. But the severe outlook right now is a slight risk. You can see it extends all the way from Hattiesburg over to Butler, Meridian on up to Macon and out to the west. Now the main threat is going to be all modes right now. We're just talking damaging winds, some large hail and isolated tornadoes. None of that can be ruled out right now. And the timing for this mainly is going to be Thursday afternoon through Thursday night. Could have some precursor showers before this moves on in, though. And over the next 5 days, quite a bit of rain is going to fall, too. 1.5 to 2.5 inches is what we're looking at locally, or heavier amounts. So flooding will be a concern with these storm systems. So your weather brought to you by Richard Schwartz and Associates. For your Wednesday, mostly sunny skies, 75 degrees. Get out and enjoy it, because there we go for Thursday. 90% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Again, some of those could be severe. A 60% chance for Friday. That's going to be mainly early on as this kind of pushes on off. So we may get a little break in the action for your Friday. And then Saturday will be in the upper 70s as well. 40% chance of showers both Saturday and Sunday. Finally, next week, temperatures will be above average starting on Monday. We'll be in the low 80s, but another chance for some showers and thunderstorms on your Monday as well before we finally start to see the sun on Tuesday.
A lot of wet weather coming our way.
A lot of rain, yeah.
A little lightning graphics there.
Got a quite a few.
Zapping us.
Yeah, I like it.
Okay. You like it?
We like it?
Oh.
Yeah, well, just the going off in unison.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
okay.
I was like, you
Not
like the lightning? I'm like, all
necessarily
right.
rain. What is going on?
You tell me.
Yeah, I was just going to say the same thing. You tell us, Mark. Sometimes it's hard to figure out what is going on in that head of yours.
Yeah,
but
I know.
It's always
out of it.
interesting.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.